going on, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So as promised, I'm going to continue to keep updating you on our favorite crypto. So of course this video is about XDC. So what I'm going to do is, this is the analysis from last time, and I think I was saying, we had this bit of a double top here, and I was saying if we get this break, I think we'd actually just broke this level here slightly, and I said I was looking for that continuation down. What you can see has happened is we had that break below that lower low there, and then we created this new lower low, and then we pushed up. So in this case, we had that breakout, but then we've broke back into this level. But what I can see happening here now on the Bitcoin chart, as I've said in my quant video, it's starting to look a little bit bullish, like we could flip from being bearish to bullish. So I've just got to wait for a little bit more confirmation so I could confirm that. But for now, what I'm going to do on this chart is just delete everything and we'll start afresh. So what I'm seeing here now is that we've got this level here, and what I'm seeing is that this here is a double bottom, okay, and we have started to push up from this level. So as you know, a double bottom is a good reversal pattern. It is very well known. So what I am anticipating now, okay, so if this was our downtrend and we did actually break that lower high, but then we've pulled back into this lower low here, so what I am anticipating, if the price continues to start pushing up, I'll be looking to see how we react in and around this level here. And then if we can start to break this level here, then in my mind we'll have that confirmation that we've then flipped from being bearish to bullish, okay, because we'll have had a break of this lower high in the downtrend, okay, and then even though prices pull back in, we've had that double bottom. And then if we break out at this level from here, for example, like so, and say we can get some strong momentum coming in on the 4H time frame like this, breaking out of this area of resistance, okay, and then you can start to look for you then retest this level, okay, and then you can then look for your continuation patterns then to look to go higher, okay. And that's the way that I like to look at my charts, and the way that I like, for example, if I was going to enter XDC with a market execution to anticipate that we're going to get, delete that, to anticipate that we could get, what's that? Alright, we'll go to this high up here. If you were looking to get to this high, 10% move, okay? If you want to enter in a market execution, just instant execution, and you was looking just to catch some 10% moves, then what I'll be doing is I'll be looking for the break of this, the retest of this, and then I'll be looking for then, if how price starts to break out of this level here, for example, if that was where we pushed to, so I'll be looking for something like that from that level there. And that's the way that I like to look at charts. So you can see here, this has been like our downtrend, like so. I'm just going to put that in there. It doesn't really matter too much. Could put it there if you want. So yeah, that's the way I like to look at my charts. The way that I like to, plan and anticipate ahead. The way that I would like price to basically move for me to get my entries on it, just to catch these little moves within the market. And it doesn't always go as anticipated. Like I said in the last video, I was expecting price to go a little bit lower, and of course we can't always be right, and that was just my prediction. And I'll hold my hands up, I wasn't right, but that's just the way it goes, and you're never going to be completely right within these markets, because who knows what's going to happen. You just don't know. You know what I mean? You can have a good guess, but no one can be 100% sure, because we can't predict the future. Of course, long term, I'm pretty certain that a lot of these cryptos are going to be going to be going up over the years, and I am bullish on crypto long term, especially for our utility cryptos like XDC, XRP, for example. That's not just financial advice; that's just my opinion, as you all know. So yeah, I'm not really going to say much more. We've had this double bottom here potentially. I'm going to look for that continuation up, see how we react in and around this level, see if we can get the price breaking out of this level, and then of course if we do, we'll be looking for that retest, and you can look for your continuations then back higher. And then once you start getting up and in around there, you then again, you just same thing, you just look at the chart, break things down, keep it clean and simple, and then just go from there. And like I've said in my other videos, I like to just look at the here and now rather than the months to come. It's just the way I like to look at things, because who knows what's going to happen within 3 months' time. You just don't know. You could put out this prediction that it's going to go all the way up there, but in reality, we just don't know, and that's why I like to just look at things, you know, with it, for the days and potentially weeks to come, and then not really too much further, unless of course I'm analysing on the higher time frames, on the daily, on the weekly, so on. And, you know, I can start doing that, and if you do want me to start doing that, then let me know in the comment section, because I'll be more than happy to break down price action and the market structure, you know, on these higher time frames. And you know, I don't mind, you know, whatever you want, I am happy to do. You are the audience that are listening to me, and I want to provide my audience with whatever they want, basically, because at the end of the day, you're what matters to this channel. So yeah, you know, I'm not going to say much more. Going to keep you updated on XDC this week. Going to leave price to just move a little bit for a couple more days, see how things start to take shape, basically, and then I'll come back with another update for you. So if you've enjoyed the video, let me know in the comment section. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. More content to come consistently, week in, week out, month in, month out, and I'm just going to continue to just keep putting out this education, the way that I look at the charts. That's basically it. So cheers everyone, appreciate you tuning in as always, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers, take care, bye bye.